Hi, my name is Zoe Bennett and I teach kindergarten through 5th grade general music here at Harrison Avenue School. As always, I'm thrilled to be a part of your child's musical journey this year, and I'm looking forward to sharing a glimpse of that journey here with you tonight. I'm going to talk a lot about what your child will learn in my class, but the most important thing I hope my students take away from our time together is that music will be a constant source of joy, comfort, and expression in their lives. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, and I hope we get to meet each other in person really soon. Music instruction for kindergarten is an extension of the musical play initiated in the early stages of child development. Students will play fun and suitably challenging games, which will allow them to practice and perfect a wide range of musical skills. Our main goals for this year are respectful listening, maintaining a steady pulse with rhythmic chanting, singing in head voice, gross and fine motor coordination, music literacy readiness, and performance etiquette. First grade students will continue to master pulse, chant, head voice, motor coordination, and literacy through increasingly challenging musical activities. Children will begin reading rhythmic notation and will practice literacy skills that complement overall language and reading development. Additionally, students will learn techniques for playing classroom instruments to accompany an expanding vocal repertoire. In second grade, students will continue to develop reading skills as they prepare to enter the HAS instrumental program. Students will practice music literacy through frequent exposure to traditional notation on the treble clef staff. Lessons will also include activities that emphasize movement, singing, and performing on classroom instruments. In third grade, students will learn to play the recorder. We will begin with basic fundamentals and quickly move on to play some fun and challenging pieces. Third grade students will also continue to work on singing, listening, and movement skills. The fourth grade continues with a wide variety of vocal and instrumental experiences. All fourth and fifth grade students will participate in chorus, and rehearsals for this ensemble will occur during your child's regularly scheduled general music class. This is also the year when students may choose to be in band or orchestra. For more information about these opportunities, please watch Mr. Bennett and Mr. Crozier's band and orchestra curriculum videos. Fifth grade continues with a strong vocal music program. In their last year at HAS, students will become familiar with a variety of advanced vocal styles and will be encouraged to challenge themselves as singers. In addition to exploring different performance practices, students will have opportunities to use their knowledge of musical structures to create original pieces. We will continue to study music theory as these young musicians prepare to enter the LMK music program. The Harrison Avenue Music Team is committed to keeping your children safe while providing fun, engaging, and meaningful music lessons. Adjustments will be made to the existing curriculum in order to meet current school safety guidelines. For more information about what our schools are doing to keep your children safe, please visit the Harrison Central School District website